Mabuhay!
Konnichiwa!
We are
MonicaYum!
Ding, 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 ding. Today we will buy
Cleaning materials in
in
Daiso!
Daiso only.
Yes, opo.
So, cleaning material only, huh? Don't buy anything except cleaning.
Let's go!
Okay, in Daiso. Diretso. Why are you checking? Oh, here, di ba? For what you will buy?
Toilet and bathtub something.
Oh, this is cover. Toilet seat cover. If Daiso, only 100 yen.
Wow!
This one maganda.
What is that?
8 pieces only. You can put this seat on toilet bowl.
So
Then
in
you,
public toilet.
opo, you can flush it. This is.
Oh, what is this? Hala, cute!
Wow!
I want
Cut.
this.
Cut mat.
I want this. How much? Oh no!
300 yen.
But it's okay. Hala, cute! Wow!
Okay.
Okay. Hala, cleaning materials only yan. Ayan, this.
Still acceptable because it's for toilet.
Oh, like this.
Brush wala talaga?
This?
This is brush.
Brush is better.
Okay, so brush.
Then, I want good smell.
If you will put this in tank, will be blue.
Let's try it.
Mm.
Ah, this is.
This is mint. This is forest natural smell.
Which one do you want?
Mint.
Mint?
This is, I don't know.
Okay, let's put this.
Okay,
Pwede 2 hours. Kasi
pwede.
may
But
hair.
this is better.
Wow!
Easy.
Ayan o, hair filter.
Opo, hair filter.
Okay. Ang ganda sa Japan, may hair filter.
What do you want to buy?
Is this for washing machine?
Liquid WASHTUB cleaner.
So how?
You will do this.
Then wash.
Wash.
Cleaning mode like that.
Opo, cleaning mode meron.
So this is
Okay.
This one most popular.
Most popular?
It's microwave cleaner with orange oil.
So will be orange smell.
Absolutely perfect!
Let's try. I want to try.
Okay.
Only in Japan. Where are you? Olo. What's that?
Toilet cleaner po. Ano, wipe. Then you can throw already in bowl.
So, pwedeng i-flash.
Opo, then this is thick kasi. Maganda.
Wow!
Oh, merong different
This is
types.
herb mint. This is soap smell. Herb is better.
Okay.
Herb.
35 pieces.
Wow!
Let's try first.
Okay.
And we need this.
What's that?
Back side of this.
Opo.
Bowl.
Yes,
Opo.
hard to clean that
Opo,
is.
opo.
Wala, may brush like this. Galing. So good for heavy pupo.
Tough pupo.
Naughty.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay, so let's go back.
Already complete our cleaning material.
Absolutely perfect!
Why are you here?
I want to buy.
You want to buy what? Is that cleaning materials?
Opo, will clean my eyes.
I said only cleaning materials.
Who said? Cleaning materials only yan.
Okay.
Mas maganda yan. May mahal. Only this. Left and right, left and... Hello, this. Next time I will buy here beauty product.
Yay, now we are in house. She will clean toilet.
Yes, so I will use wipes. No! Mint?
Bango?
Bango.
Mabango.
Ay, naku, mabango.
Ay, nako talaga mabango.
So, this is wiping lang.
How is it? Okay?
Ang bango!
Wow!
Thanks, man.
No.
So, this one can flush, diba?
Opo. You can throw it in bowl. That's Japan, eh? Japan, all tissue, pwedeng flash.
Flush.
Okay.
Then, I will use this one. Ta-da!
Opo, for backside.
Para may water. Oh, ganda din. Hard.
Hard, and you can polish strongly.
Wow!
Okay. Can be clean.
Opo.
Absolutely perfect.
So, meron tayo nito. Ta-da! Soap.
So,
This is soap for bowl. Brush. This toilet, dalawa lang kami gumagamit. Oh!
Wow!
so it's
Wow!
maganda.
Very good! Ganda tong wipes, ha? Disposable kasi.
Okay.
Then, blue one. This one. Then,
We'll put in tank. According to this, you don't need to take off that.
Wow!
You can put already. That will melt.
opo, can
Melt?
coffee.
So you will put it on inside.
This one pwede?
Pwede.
So, I will put like this.
Opo.
Oh!
Okay. So that's it.
And this is new brush.
Wow!
Here, disposable din ang ganito. Kasi, 100 yen lang siya. So, it's dirty, no need to clean. Throw and buy new one.
Okay.
Oh!
Yay.
Okay. My new toilet cover. Ano yan?
300 yen.
Yes, this is 300 cover and rug.
Wow!
So, this is for here. Oh, exact! Allah! This, I will buy this for Pekari. Allah, ganda. Let's buy this for MonicaYum box.
Please comment if you want it or
Oh,
not.
yes. If you comment you want this, we will buy for next MonicaYum box. Ang ganda! Look, wait, I will go.
Absolutely
Cute,
perfect.
diba?
Ikaw cute. Opo.
Yay!
Yay. Okay.
Yes, happy
Cleaning.
shopping and happy cleaning kasi complete. And I like my new cover and rug.
Wow.
If you want that for MonicaYum box number 3, please comment below so we will buy.
Okay, so we will introduce about international couple and life in Japan and traveling in the channel.
So, see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Subscribe. Very much.
MonicaYum!